Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is for anyone looking to level up their email marketing game by using custom HTML templates in Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to import your own unique HTML email design into Mailchimp, and you'll also learn the smartest way to make edits. No coding expertise required. Let's get started and make your email campaigns stand out. First things first, head over to your Mailchimp account and open the campaign or design workspace where you want to use your custom template. This is the staging area where all your email magic happens. It's a familiar place if you've sent Mailchimp emails before, but if you're new, no worries, just look for the Edit Design or Design Email option on your dashboard. This is where we'll be importing your HTML content, so take a moment to make sure you're in the right place. Now, inside the Mailchimp email builder, you'll see different types of content blocks you can add to your template, like text, images, buttons, and more. For our purposes, what you want is the special code content block. This is what allows you to insert custom HTML, basically telling Mailchimp, hey, I've got my own design, just display it exactly as I wrote it. So drag and drop a code block into your email layout. If you don't see it at first, look around in the content panel. It might be labeled as code or custom HTML, depending on your version of Mailchimp. Next, you'll need your HTML code, which you might have built with a tool like Stripo or coded by hand. In this example, let's say you've used Stripo, a popular email template builder that lets you design visually, then render the HTML code for use anywhere. So open up Stripo, select your email design, and look for the Export or Copy HTML code option. Once you've got your code ready, simply copy it to your clipboard. Now head back over to Mailchimp, and inside that code block you just added, paste your HTML code. You might notice a lot of lines of text and code here. Don't worry, this is just how HTML emails work under the hood. After a few seconds, Mailchimp will render your design right there in the preview. This part might take a few moments, especially if your template is heavy on images or styles, so don't panic if the preview doesn't pop up instantly. Here where things can get a bit tricky. If you look at your template in Mailchimp and realize you want to tweak the design, maybe the logo's not lined up or you'd like to add a line of text, your first thought might be to edit directly inside the Mailchimp code block. But unless you're really comfortable working with HTML and CSS, editing code by hand can quickly become overwhelming. Missing a tiny tag or having a typo can throw off the entire layout. So don't feel discouraged if this seems complicated. Instead, here's a pro tip. It's much easier to go back to the original tool where you built the HTML template like Stripo. Make your design adjustments there, move images, change text, update colors using the visual editor. Once you're happy with the changes, just export the new HTML code again and replace the old code in your Mailchimp code block. No manual coding, no technical headaches, just copy, paste, and see your changes instantly. This method makes updating your templates smooth and stress-free even if you've never written a line of code in your life. And that's it. You've just imported and edited a custom HTML email template in Mailchimp without needing to be a coding expert. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And if you've got any questions or want tips on customizing your emails further, drop a comment below. I read every one. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.